Hi friends, let's do yoga with me, Lala. Are you ready to begin? Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Great job breathing. Ready to stretch like a kitty? Now let's try our first yoga pose. Come down to your hands and knees and stretch your back like a cat. Now lower your head and hold still for one more breath. Great job, you just finished your first yoga pose. Now let's sit down together and bring your feet together like this. Can you flap your legs like butterfly wings? So light, so gentle. Now stand tall, like a tree. Put one foot on your leg and reach your arms up high. Can you balance like a strong, happy tree? Take one last breath, and let's get ready for the next pose. Stretch wide like a star. Arms and legs out, shine bright. Sparkle with your fingers. Amazing, star friends, you stretched so big and bright. Now let's relax a little. Lie down on your mat. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out. You're calm, quiet, floating like a cloud. You've done a wonderful job. Let's slowly sit up and finish together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun with Lala Bounce.